What about the role of claims history? How does that affect the premiums? Is there
So
a
claims
cutoff?
is a good question. So there's a difference between frequency and severity. So a severe claim would be, we have a catastrophic event. California has fires, Texas has hurricanes. So sticking to California, since we have these wildfires that occur, if you have a wildfire and it's considered a catastrophic event, oftentimes that won't impact your rates or your eligibility. Water claims are probably the worst because even if you open a water claim and you close it and there is no payout because you say, okay, well, that's less than my deductible. I don't really want to, deal with the claims, close the claim. Well, now that claim actually still counts against you. And so we always are very cautious to at least explain how water claims work, because if somebody asks us about opening a claim, we have to actually refer them to the claims department to open a claim. We can't coach people into opening or not opening a claim. So we have to educate them on the front end and just let them know, hey, if you have, three or more water claims, oftentimes you can't even find a carrier that will write that policy. One or more is
So,
going to cost you rate. It's going to cause your rates to be higher.
okay, so if somebody has a water claim, which, like you said, is very common, I know people that have had them, and if they call you and say and tell you that they have water damage, then you are obligated then to report that. Is that what you mean?
Technically, I'm supposed to just say contact the claims department. I can't really get into claims. But what
You
I
can't
normally
coach
tell
them
a
through
client
it.
is, hey, before you call the claims department, maybe reach out to a plumber, have them come out, or have, Service Master come out, or one of the companies that works with water damage or smoke damage or fire damage, have them come out and look at it and then decide with their advice, is this worth opening a claim for? Is this at the
Got it.
threshold of your deductible? So I oftentimes recommend them just having somebody look at it before they open a claim, but I always give them the information for the claims department, let them know, hey, if you have any issues or questions, call me, but I'll probably have to refer you back to the claims department. In California, we have what's called the Fair Claim Practice Act. And so Department of Insurance regulates claims handling and how we handle those. So if you send an email to a claims department, they're going to open a claim. If you contact an insurance agent and say, hey, what should I do? We're going to say, well, you should call claims and get that started. But maybe before you do, look at it, have somebody look at it before because here's your deductible and here's, but we have to be very careful about how we walk through that process.
No, I get it. So if let's just say somebody has $1,000 deductible and their water claim might be $6,000 or $7,000, it may not be a good idea for them to call the claims because they're going to probably pay that difference up in premiums over the next few years, I would assume, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. Some companies
Okay.
have claims free discounts. So if you lose that discount, it's sometimes 25, 30%, and it's 3 to 5 years to get it back. So you can see how quickly the $2,000 coverage that you might receive is going to unwind, and you're going to end up giving that back to the carrier.